Hi, I'm Yusran Shah from Pharmacy Pajajaran University and Stikes Salsabila Serang, Indonesia. Today I'm going to share a presentation about our research entitled Measurement of the Quality of Life of Prolanis Hypertension Patient in 16 Primary Healthcare Centers in Pandeglang District, Banten Province, Indonesia using Eurocall 5D5L instrument.
The prevalence of hypertension in Indonesia is increasing from 25.8% in 2013 to 34.11% in 2018, not least in some peripheral areas, including Pandeglang District, Banten Province. There was an increase from 8% in 2007 to 8.6% in 2013 until to 8.94% in 2018. On another side, pharmaceutical care by pharmacists at primary healthcare centers in Pandeglang is not considered optimal because hypertension still is the biggest cause of death in Pandeglang District, categorized non-communicable diseases. This research aims to measure the quality of life of Prolanis patients at the primary healthcare center using the EQ5D5L instrument after getting counseling by the pharmacist. Quality of life is measured using the European Quality of Life 5-dimension 5-level instrument and the conversion of health utility to the Indonesian value set. There are 5 dimensions and 5 levels in each dimension, that is mobility, self-care, usual activities, pain, and depression, and total produce 3,125 health stats. This is the flow of research. Sampling locations are in 16 primary healthcare centers in 16 places in the area of Pandeglang District, Banten Province. This research measured clinical outcome and quality of life of patients. The research used an experimental study design with a purposive sampling method. The research was conducted on 96 Prolanis patients, consisting of 48 patients in 8 primary healthcare centers, and received counseling intervention from pharmacists and 48 other patients in 8 different primary healthcare centers and didn't get counseling intervention from pharmacists, just usual care, and looks at the reducing blood pressure and improving the quality of life of patients. This research went through several steps. The first, pharmacist FGD, data collection and patient counseling at meeting 1 to meeting 4. For the pharmaceutical care group, and just data collection with usual care for control group. The result of this research shows that the quality of life of the intervention patient groups, which is given counseling by the pharmacist, is better than the control patient do not get counseling from the pharmacist. Some tests show good results and patterns, even though they do not give a statistically significant value. Overall, in this research, we found that the quality of life of patients in the intervention group is better compared to hypertensive patients in the control group. In the end, this is the purpose why we do this work done. Their smile is our happiness. Potential future developments in the field as a result of this research will be holding hearings with the local government that pharmacists are needed in its primary healthcare centers because it has been scientifically proven can improve the quality of life of hypertensive patients through counseling. Thank you for your attention.